Market is open. We are trying, or we're not going to develop a idea of what we want the market to do. We're just going to go based off what price is giving us. Now, what I see on the 15-minute time frame is that overall we are bearish. Disrespected this hourly gap totally, just totally inversed it. So what I would like to see off the open is us sweep this 5-minute high, tap into this 15-minute unmitigated gap, and then return lower to the sell side. We also have on the 1-minute relative equal lows right here, just super juicy, super nice relative equal lows. I think that's a very clear draw. And then we also have Asia lows down here. So I don't really, if we do get a long setup, if anything, it would only be to this 15-minute gap. Can't take it any higher because of all these unmitigated 15-minute gaps up here. And overall, I feel like we're bearish. So that's pretty much what we're looking for right now. Longs are not the play past here at all. So that's the idea. And I'll come back to you guys whenever market opens, and that's when we will start the recording. We do have 1-minute V shape out of this. Very, very V shape. Nice LRL above. I'm thinking I want to try these. Thinking I want to try these longs here. We gave the longs a shot. This is going to be what our trade looks like. Something like this. Literally just targeting that 15-minute gap. Definitely went smaller on these. I think it was worth a good try. We have a pretty small stop here, so literally not risking much at all. And then we added some more there as well. I think all in all, what we're risking like 200 bucks. Yeah, something like that. Just gonna be targeting an unmitigated 15-minute gap, and if we lose, bro, it's like overall I feel like it was a really great trade. So we have 8 here. We're gonna go break even there. Holy shit, I didn't even get a chance to. Alright, well. I didn't even get a chance to put in my break even. I didn't even get a chance to put it in. But we closed. So, shit. I didn't even get a chance, bro. I wanted to go break even at this internal high, but it just freaking dumped immediately, so. Talk about the quickest way to lose 90 bucks right there, right? Shit, bro. I mean, had the LRL swept out these relative equal lows. Nice, beautiful V shape. We'll probably end up working out. I just didn't really get the delivery we wanted out of that. Yeah. Excuse me. Either way, it's all good. Like I said, fellas, wasn't the position We wanted 100%, but it was moving too fast, bro. Hey, it's tough, man. It's tough. Why I went break even so fast is I didn't even go break even that fast, but this trade is going to end up working out. I anticipate that this 930 is going to just pump us right up to where we need to go. And then bang. So 930 pumped us right where we needed to go. Swap out this 930 high right here. Not a 930 high, but swap out that 5-minute high. Tapped into that unmitigated 15-minute gap. Now with this structure, we don't have great structure back to the downside. So probably going to end up having to fade this these sales right here because we don't have anything lower other than this right here. So yeah, structure's just not the best either. Structure's not good for sales here. Bro, that's sick, bro. Why did it have to freaking break us even right there? It's whatever. It does look like price is gonna clearly head to these 4-hour highs right here. Do have another 4-hour gap inside of that, or a 4-hour high inside of this fair value gap as well. So definitely bias has flipped back bullish so far. I mean, can't really take sales in this 15-minute gap. The structure's pretty shit, I feel like. Definitely we have to wait for inverse of this, but then it's like, where's your target at? Some of these lows right here, I wouldn't say that those are as obvious as these highs, so we're probably gonna have to wait for, I don't know, like a 15-minute gap retracement. 15-minute gap retracement into a continuation. It's probably our only option right here. Probably our only option. I mean, yeah, I mean, you could do something like that. I don't love that though, but I hate it actually. So let's just wait for price to take out some. Somebody just texted me hello. Like, who are you, bro?
Gaddis. So imagine how good you would be if your dad was Jordan. Bronny, when you get a
Alright, so we just hit that 4-hour high. There are no shorts up here, bro. And it definitely seems like we're just gonna run straight to those 4-hour highs, so we're just kind of gonna wait around here, see what's gonna play out. There's no structure to the downside, so I mean, can't buy up here, can't sell up here. If anybody can tell me why this 15-minute gap retracement failed, I will give you a free 100. Never actually came in on lows. I want you to front ways, back ways. You know that I don't play. Just out there, even when I'm away. OT, OT. It's never much love when we go OT. Leaving relative equal highs. NQ, please. NQ, please. Please note that we're unable to accept the upload of your bank statement as it is not valid. Remove the current restrictions. We need a copy of your full bank statement showing DraftKings transactions. And then 3, 2, 1, bang. 3, 2, 1, boom. My brother's calling me. Yo. Alright, so we did end up leaving damn near perfect equal highs up here. We do have this huge 5-minute gap. What would be absolutely beautiful is if we can rebalance equilibrium of the current trading range, get an IFVG along with some LRL leading down into this 5-minute gap with equal highs above. I'm full porting 2 minis. 2 minis, bro. I'll do 1 mini. I'm not doing 2 minis. I gotta remember that my body can't take a joke, so I gotta speak as if I'm actually doing something. So I'll take 1 mini, but I'll happily take that long. I'll happily take it. When you get the passport, send me a copy. I am going on a vacation across the 7 seas. I'm going on a vacation across the 7 seas, man. Across the 7 seas, bro. This is gonna be my first international vacation. Like, a nigga, like, I need a visa and everything. I'm gonna leave it up to YouTube to guess where I'm going, because I will be posting a YouTube video, you know, consistently while I'm over there. I'll be over there for like 3 weeks, maybe 2-3 weeks, and it'll be fun. They said it'll be fun. So tapped into this 5 minute. Hopefully we can close here, close one more candle, and then get us a nice V shape back to the upside. If we take out this 1 minute internal low, trade is no longer valid. Let's just keep that in mind. Looks like we're going to get that reaction either way. There's probably a 15-second, a 30-second that's there somewhere. Let's just say the 15 seconds right there. Say the 15 seconds right there. Boom. Break even on the 15-second. And then TP is going to be in the next 30 seconds. So I pray to make it back in one piece. I pray. That's why I need a one down. Got a Hennessy in my hand. I gotta stop singing this before I get like copyrighted or something. But yeah, boys, we don't have access to a lower time frame chart. We don't have access to a 15-second, a 30-second. But I'm sure there is a 15-second gap down there that somebody probably caught. Somebody, not I though. Somebody. It looks like it might be a no trade day for us, to be honest, bro. Kind of just have nothing here. Honestly, like, oh, there's 10 a.m. news as well. Even with 10 a.m., like, I don't really like the shorts, you know what I'm saying? Don't like them at all, right into this 15-minute gap. I don't like them. There's 10 a.m. news. I have a 9:30 wick right there. Have that 9:30 wick, but you know, there's just no structure leading up into that wick, leading down into the wick. So can't really take the short either. It's not a strong enough draw on liquidity for me. There's nothing else pulling us down there other than, you know, nothing pretty much. Made equal highs at this 4 hour. Maybe 10 a.m. pushes us down. We make some sort of structure back to the downside, and then we can target those equal highs. That'd be nice, but you know, we're so close here. I think that we're gonna just hit the equal highs, and then kind of 10 a.m. is gonna push us in whatever direction, but it's not gonna be anywhere enough for us to really catch anything substantial. I feel. Have a 15-minute gap resting right above here, but I mean, it's just not great. Triple equal highs. So that would be ideal, is that some way, somehow we chop our way down, sweep out these lows, sweep out the 9:30 lows or whatever, and then we target back up here to these relative equal highs. That'd be great, but we're gonna take some time for sure. G-Wade.
If I put in the chat GPT, you think they'll be able to tell?
Nigga, try it. I mean, shit, they ain't gonna give you your money anyway, so might as well. If you can tell, they could probably tell. Feel me? I joined Gato, bro. They only did that because they gotta pay you some bread. It's a game. OT, OT. Did you ever figure out if the 200 was from your withdrawal being rejected?
I mean, I don't know. It said refund was fucking processed successfully, so. And it you have to wait a few business days and shit for that. So.
Need a baby slide.
I'm gonna get this shit back real quick.
We are setting up for longs very, very nicely. If we can resweep these lows and make some LRL leading up to these highs, that'd be great. That'd be great. Right now we got nothing here. Maybe 10 a.m. pushes us lower. 10 a.m. pushes us lower. We've been talking about rejection blocks a lot, but triple equal highs, can't fade it. Where's 10 a.m. at? 10 a.m. is right here. Your tracking number, click the link, should receive O2. My passport's coming on the 2nd. Oh, we just smashed it actually. Took out these 1 hour highs and that 1 hour gap. 9:44 low. 10 a.m. I don't know if we're gonna get anything today.
Alright, so give me my draft. It's gonna give me my draft.
Alright, bet. Is it emailing it?
It's cg.tradezz, bro.
Oh, I thought you said it was about to give it to me.
Yeah, my draft.
I pray, I pray. Baby, I like your style. Strength and guidance, all that I'm wishing for my friends.
Alright, so
I'm prepaid vanilla. Dude, this looks like what I sent you yesterday. I don't even know what it did, honestly.
bro, this is all it, bro. Added my fucking shipping stuff. It added my card on there. It added the pin. None of that stuff was on the fucking page.
Well, yeah, it fucking did it. I don't even recognize the difference. So, after you try this though, if it doesn't work, they could easily just cook your whole shit. So I mean, maybe try one last like hoorah to like I don't know. I don't know what you would do, but maybe try another
what
option.
they're asking for.
Well, shit, yeah. I mean, that's all you got. Just understand that if they do notice it somehow, then you're cooked for good. But
I don't notice it though.
I have no idea. I couldn't even notice it. So it says you deposited 400. Everything's red though, like. But yeah, I mean, if this is what they're asking for, go ahead, try it.
Should I change the color on there to all black?
To all black.
Well, you said everything's red.
Well, no, I'm just saying because like you withdrew money to your account and stuff, so I'd figure it wouldn't be. Oh yeah, it is red. Yeah, negative 400, negative 400, and then the stuff that's positive 400, it stays red. Maybe it should be black. It says declined, declined. Did you give it I'm assuming you gave it like a PDF to yeah, what is the PDF numbers black as well?
Yeah.
Then definitely change the PDF numbers, or definitely change this to black as well. But don't delete this one, obviously. It's a good start. But if ChatGPT can't do it how it needs to look, then just send that in. Yeah. I'm about to have 10 a.m. right here. If we do start reversing at 10 a.m., then we could target this 15-minute gap. But, we have a 2-minute, a 3-minute that we're about to get. I think if 10 a.m. comes, then we're definitely going to have a lot of time to inverse this as well. Excuse me. Alright, definitely disrespecting this 1 hour gap so far, so. Is this, where do we continue higher? Just kind of go up all day. Yeah, let me know how it goes though, bro. I'm about to be done trading like in maybe like an hour, maybe like 30 minutes or so, so. Alright. Yeah, so as I was saying, we have this 15-minute gap that we wanted to target. Looking at it, we do have, this 5-minute gap that's about to close. I think that if we do end up getting this 5-minute, we're just going to either blow through it, or I think we're just going to blow through it. That would be ideal as well. So there's no real structure down there either. On the 1-minute chart, no real structure. So I think the trade that I definitely would want to wait on would be this 15-minute gap retracement if we get it. But right now it's just kind of don't really have much, honestly. Like, have that 15-minute gap we could go break even at. Go break even at this 15-minute. And then anticipate a move back down to these 930 lows. Brand new deposit. Drip, I don't need no stylist,
So, like, what do you want to watch?
I don't know. Can we watch Toby?
What did you just say?
What? What did I say?
All right, it's 10 a.m. now. It's 10 a.m. now. Have that gap. We're starting to get the reversal. We are inversing this 1 minute gap. It's like, I don't know if I want to try these shorts, especially after we just pumped up. We're still in that 4 hour. I know that we have a 5 minute lower here. Maybe there we would have went break even at this 5. We're probably going to work our way through this. I don't think that this is a bad trade. I mean, it's definitely not A+ for sure. I don't even know if it was worth the shot, but in hindsight, it's starting to play out pretty well. Maybe somebody caught that. I'm not going to be the one to catch it, though. And then about right there, you would have got stopped break even. So I'm not a bad boy for fading that. Hit that 5 minute gap. There's just a lot of stuff here, man. It's just nothing beautiful at all. Nothing beautiful. I do like, though, how, you know, we were able to, you know, very clearly stay out of the markets. Because we're bullish for the day. You know what I'm saying? We're bullish. There's just nothing lower. There's nothing higher for us to really hit other than just basic order flow. You know what I'm saying? Just higher highs, lower lows. Other than that, it doesn't seem like we're going to get anything here. Like I said, the only thing we got is LRL leading down to this 15-minute gap and then leading back up to these highs. That's all we have here. So we'll be off of this in an hour. So no reason for me to sit around here. We're prices in no man's land. So I'll come back to you guys whenever I decide to call it or not. It's really starting to get to the point where I am really fishing for trades here. The one that I was looking at, you know, we waiting for both of these gaps to be inversed. Wait for a CISD, or not wait, but if we inverse these two 1 minute gaps, we will also get a CISD. And, you know, it's also coming into the 1050 macro. I was just kind of looking for shit, honestly. I know it's not beautiful, though. So since we're at that point, we are going to call it a day. With this trade right here that was break even, like a small part of me wants to say that we went break even too early. But, you know, I don't know. If you get this pump, you definitely don't want to fucking see a rejection all the way back down to well below your entry. So Definitely got break even. Didn't even have a chance to put my stop loss in there. I couldn't. I don't know why my brain couldn't compute how to put a stop loss in the market anymore. So we did lose $90 on the day. Which is pretty much break even, honestly. So it's like $100. So break even on the day. We're gonna call it here. Shit, boy. Not a great day for price action. Off the open, literally just pumped, no dump at all. Just pump. Breaking all PD arrays to the upside. And if two PD arrays, I forget what ICT says, but if 2 PD arrays are getting spanked, your ass is next, or whatever the hell he said. Let me see. Okay, it doesn't exist, right? So I'm gonna get it off here, guys. Goodbye.